everybody, and this is our second experiment called Sugar Snake. It is growing a black snake out of sugar, and the difficulty is 2 out of 3, danger 2 out of 3, duration 30 minutes. Anyways, so first thing first, sodium bicarbonate, aka sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, this, and get this in order to pour some of the sugar, 3 spoons to be exact. It's kind of hard to get in. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm going to have to put the lid back on and shake for 10 seconds. Okay, done. Whoa. Okay. Next, I have to get this in 3 aluminum foils. 1, 2. I have to get solid fuel. So we got the fuel, and now we gotta get this, and then make a lump of sodium bicarbonate sugar mixture. So that's enough. Now we gotta take off our gloves.
Off your gloves?
Mm-hmm. Now I'm gonna light this up. Light the stick.
Be careful.
Wait, how do I get this thing on? Okay, so here's the fire. Wait, and out. Okay, so here's the fire. Why doesn't this... Oh, wait. I have to get the solid fuel on fire. Oh, wait, this... Today, we'll explain the sugar snake reaction. Believe it or not, it was actually 3 different chemical reactions that looked like one. The first reaction was the combustion of hexamethylene tetraamine, which was the solid fuel tablet. This helped the fire get onto the baking soda and sugar. But combustion is not that simple. Here, combustion is simply an oxidation reaction that requires fuel. In this reaction is methane, oxygen, and enough heat. When this reaction is heated enough, it will become carbon dioxide and water vapor. Now, this is just simply oxidation. Fire is oxidation. In our case, the carbon of methane is being oxidized. So it's -4 oxidation state to its +4 oxidation state, meaning that it gained 4 electrons to lost 4 electrons. So back to the reaction. This fuel tablet that I used was burns and it helps the fire get onto the sugar and the baking soda. Now let's see the other reaction, the sugar. This is the chemical formula for one type of sugar, glucose. When this is set on fire, it's actually going to release the hydrogen and oxygen. So it's going to become a lump of carbon. And this is the black snake. But this carbon is actually way too small to actually see it. So the baking soda will do the other part. When baking soda sets on fire, or sodium bicarbonate sets on fire, it's going to release CO2. So CO2 will be released. And then when gases always want to expand. So inside of this carbon, the carbon dioxide will expand out. And then for some reason it goes away in the long direction like this in a snake. And this is how the snake came out of the fuel tablet that burned the sugar and baking soda mixture and then formed this huge black snake. Thanks for watching. Bye!